everyone, my name is Chat and welcome back to my channel. And guys, welcome back to yet another video. So this video is going to be reading your paranormal stories. So oh god, the stories were quite scary. So disclaimer, a quick disclaimer. अगर आपको डर लगता है तो I won't recommend you guys to like really see this video. लेकिन like इतना कुछ डरावना नहीं था, सो यू गाइस कैन सी दिस वीडियो. और अगर आपको डर बिल्कुल नहीं लगता तो भी देख लो, क्योंकि किसी की पर्सनल स्टोरी है तो उनका पर्सनल टच भी होगा स्टोरी में. एंड टू कीप दिस वीडियोस टू कीप दिस स्टोरीज प्राइवेट, तो जिसने मेरे को स्टोरी बताई है, दो दे हैव ट्रस्टेड मी कि मैं उसको प्राइवेट ही रखूँ, सो आई हैव नॉट शोन देयर नेम इन द वीडियो. So yes, I have not mentioned their name too. So to get to know how scary the story was, without any further ado, let us get started. By the starting of this video, like video start करने से पहले ही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि I'm like really big फट्टू. So अगर ये मैं पढ़ते पढ़ते थोड़ी सी घबराई हुई दिखी तो मतलब मैं घबरा नहीं रही, क्योंकि अभी सुबह का दिन है तो मैं घबरा नहीं रही, लेकिन मैं ये सोचूंगी कि मैं रात को सूंघ कैसे इतना डर में. सो ठीक है, by saying that, let's just start the video. So the first horror paranormal story is, there was a girl in my school. She was my junior. We were participating in our annual day program. She was in 6th standard. She really wanted to take part in the program, but one night before the program she met with an accident and died. Unfortunately, we were really sad and cried. I remember 1 week before the annual day program, we were preparing in the auditorium for the annual day. And when we were done, we went out, shut the auditorium door, but we heard some footsteps tapping sounds from the auditorium. Oh god. And when we peeped from the window, we saw that girl who died dancing in the school uniform on the stage. We ran, and it was the first time I experienced something like that, and now I believe in all of these stories. Oh god. So of course that will happen, because like it was, I think, her last wish to just part in the program or the annual day. तो लास्ट विश वो किसी भी तरीके से पूरा करे, चाहे वो एक एज अ घोस्ट पूरा करे या एज लाइक एन अलाइव ह्यूमन बीइंग पूरा करे, या एज एन अलाइव ह्यूमन बीइंग पूरा करे. सो इट वाज हर विश टू प्रैक्टिस अलोंग विद यू. सो आई थिंक या दैट वाज हर लास्ट विश, सो तभी वो ऐसा हुआ. So the next story is, long back when I was a kid, we used to live in a village and we were living in a decent lifestyle. Our bua used to live with us due to some issues with our in-laws, and one day my bua's son died due to illness. Oh god, that's just so bad. He and we were of the same age, in same school near to my. I used to miss him a lot. We used to play together, study together, and we were very close. I remember we made a swing on a tree and he had fun playing around that swing. One night he died one night after he died, at 1:30 I went out to turn off the lantern. Oh god, isn't it too late? Okay, so it was a beautiful night, lightened up. Then I saw someone sitting on that swing that we made on that tree close to my house. I kept staring, and after some seconds of staring, I realized that it was my brother in half pants on that swing. I threw the lantern and ran, and I don't know who was it, and I was shook. God, giving me goosebumps, like really. First of all, what I think कि कोई परिवार में मरा है तो 12 बजे, like 11 बजे से पहले तो घर के बाहर ही मत निकलो. उसके बाद and you did so. So moving on to the next story, which is like, hey Dee, hi, don't think you believe on it. I do, like thoda sa, but I would like to share. I was in Delhi that time, and my mommy wanted to meet me eagerly. She wanted to meet me eagerly, so that she texted me and even called as well, but due to some issues I wasn't able to go to my nanny's place to meet her. After 2 months, my mom called me up and said that mommy passed away as she fell down from first floor due to falling off balcony. As my nanny's house was too old, she lost her life, and then it was an extremely. I went there for the dead rituals. one night I was trying to sleep on the floor and everyone was in the other house. I suddenly felt someone walking really fast side by my side to the mattress I was sleeping on. I ignored and she walked even faster. I knew it was my mommy. I felt her existence. I held Hanumanji's locket which was there in my neck, closed my eyes, prayed to God, and can't remember that night she wanted to meet me, but I could not gather the courage to open my eyes, rest in peace. Like, oh my God, इतनी हिम्मत ना मेरे अंदर तो कभी नहीं आएगी कि घर में किसी की डेथ हुई और मैं अकेले दूसरे घर में सो रही हूँ. एंड हाँ, अगर डर नहीं लगता तो शायद मैं आंखें खोलने की कोशिश करती. That's all I think I could do. लेकिन आई नो कि अपने पर आती है तो पता चलेगा कि कैसा फील होता है. सो या रेस्ट इन पीस. द लास्ट स्टोरी इज, एक बार मेरी मौसी की बेटी के साथ हुआ है. उसमें मतलब अचानक से मेल का वॉइस आ जाता था और वो सब लोगों को अब्यूज़ करने लगती थी. पर जब पता चला तो उसमें कुछ पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज़ थी. फिर उसके साथ एक और बार ऐसा हुआ तो मामा ने उससे पकड़ा तो उसने मामा के नेक पकड़ लिया और इतना तेज़ पकड़ा कि 2-3 लोगों को मिलकर उसे हटाना पड़ा. फिर मामा ने उसे बेल्ट से मारना शुरू किया. तब उस सोल ने उसकी बॉडी छोड़ी. फिर दीदी को तांत्रिक को दिखाया गया तो उन्होंने भी कहा कि दीदी में कोई सोल का वास है, बट अब दीदी ठीक है. ओके, सो आई फील दैट इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द पेड़. लाइक दोपहर के टाइम पेड़ के नीचे नहीं जाते या दोपहर के टाइम बाल या फ्रेगनेंस नहीं लगाते. दैट्स वॉट आई थिंक एंड दैट्स वॉट आई फॉलो. सो या. So yes guys, that's for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'm really missing my lifestyle content on my channel. Like जब मैंने starting में अपना channel start किया था तो I started it as a vlogging channel. Like बहुत ज़्यादा vlogs ही आते थे mostly. So I'm missing that. तो अब वो सारी videos private हो चुकी हैं. In case you guys are wondering कि where are that vlogs, so वो सारे private हैं. Sorry क्योंकि just some embarrassing videos. So yeah, so I will be focusing on vlogging also in October, so stay tuned for that and I hope you guys like this video. So मैंने part 2 के लिए थोड़ी सी stories रखी है जो कि दीवा लॉग में आएगी, so थोड़ा सा रिवील कर सकते थे. So bye bye, meet you in my next video.